This is the COVID-19 coronavirus, which is causing a global pandemic. There is no cure and there is no vaccine. That is really scary. Governments around the world are issuing stay-home lockdowns and quarantine. That's the only way to beat it. And because of that, the global economy is taking a huge hit. Careers are at risk and revenues are stagnated. And we photographers are not spared at all from this. My projects are cancelled and postponed, advertising and shoots are stopping, and I would have to work from home to ensure that this pandemic doesn't win. What's scarier is we do nothing during this period. And I believe that the best way for us to move forward, and when this is over, we can hit the floor running, is to learn new skill. And as such, I'll be producing a lot of e-learnings so that during this period that you stay home and be safe, you can continue learning new skills. The next e-learning that we're launching is an e-learning photography for online business. If you stay home, you will have skills, and these things that you create or craft can be sold online. But most people cannot go there because their photos are bad. And when you sell online, photos are important. In this lesson, I will share with you in detail. In fact, I'll be shooting this e-learning from home, safely, step by step, how I set up my home to shoot effortlessly beautiful picture from the cheapest smartphone to more high-end prosumer cameras and pro cameras, and light it up minimally. And I'll also teach you how you can post-process them. And when you learn this skill, you can do online sales effectively with beautiful pictures. Next, you must know that a lot of photographers and viewers from YouTube always write to me saying that we just love the way that you teach, and I wish you can make more e-learning. Here's the good news. During this time, we're going to be producing our Beyond Photography premium content, where every week we will upload lessons and lessons that is not just photography. It can be lessons on pre-production for advertisements, designing skill, how to do storyboards, food styling, food photography, styling and makeup, because I'm getting my whole team at Beyond Photography to be involved, and each and every one of them is ready to produce this content. We've got a lot of exciting titles to share with you, and here's the exciting news. With the notion that we want everybody to learn and gain new skill, we're pricing our premium content at a membership of just $9.99 per month. So everyone, let's help each other. Support me so that my team and I can produce more e-learnings. And when this is over, when you're able to go back to work, you can hit the ground running with new skill and overcome this economic downturn. Ladies and gentlemen, can't wait to see you online with our e-learning courses. For today's lesson, I'm going to show you that I can trigger the TT685 Sony version with a Canon camera. There were no light source coming from the front because we got this built-in flash so low in power. That's a simple solution for this. So Rajesh, that is a very good question. I understand your problem. Here's the thing. The smaller the light, the harder the light. So here's how we can improve. I noticed a few things looking at your behind-the-scene photos. Fahmi Aziz, I can tell you this is an excellent shot. Well, I always believe that the more rules you use in a photo, the nicer it will be. Now, what I like, if you ask me what I like about this photo, it has so much of color. And there's this thing that I love.